I'm gonna do my last trade on futures here, playing the upside on the Q. And that's it. If I lose this one, I'm done with my day. I'm not trading anything else. But I like this consolidation here. Yeah. Finally. Okay, I'm gonna sell a few at high of the day, morning high. If I can go back to break even, I'll be happy. It's back to zero. Okay, I'm selling two there. Another one, holding four only. Yeah. I honestly am expecting another choppy day today. We have Powell speaking tomorrow. And we had such a big move the past few days that I think the market needs some consolidation or maybe a little pullback. But Apple, let me see, it's been so strong that it keeps moving the market higher. Let me see what's Microsoft is doing nothing, but it still was very strong yesterday. But 180 for Apple, I think it's important. Yeah, I'm so tired of it speaking like every single week. It mess up my trading. I don't like that we have data coming up all the time. Well, for me, it's a boring week when we have data coming up all the time. because it doesn't like allow me to trade like easy. Like I feel like caught my trading days. Mm, mm, mm. And Apple, I wanted a retest of 178 to play Apple, but never went back down. I would not say the market looks like it's gonna back down today because I don't see any weakness. Like I don't see why will the market go down if Apple keeps ripping. I don't remember, honestly. I don't remember if it was like that before. The thing is, like before all this, it was data with COVID that it was moving the market all the time. Okay, I want to see the Q like really breaking this morning high and use it as support or like holding it above this morning high. I'm gonna sell one more just in case. Yeah, only holding two. I'm sorry, holding three. I love this AMD chart. It's so clean. So, so clean. I don't like, yeah, maybe, but I don't like scalping. Scalping, you need to put too much money on the risk to make a little bit of profit, like 5%. For me, scalping is not worth it, honestly. I want to put a little bit of money to get this back, not put this amount of money and get this back. Weekly AMD calls. That's a very clean 3-hour play on AMD. If rips here. And where is okay? This is a 3-hour play. I when the market was in an uptrend, I play this 3-hour play pattern like all the time. I like to play them on the when I see it on the daily chart and the weekly. On the weekly chart, it's amazing. But on the daily it also works. It look AMD here. It's just pretty much the same. Okay, I'm selling another one, only holding two. I think I'm gonna hold those two unless it goes like under 370 or not 370, under the VWAP. I'm just gonna let them ride. Oh yeah, definitely. That's why I'm scalping on futures because we need to adapt whatever the market is giving us. Like When I was looking and I watch a bunch of videos because I always like to like learn more. Like every single day I like to learn more about the market, about the economy and everything. I don't really pay too much attention to fundamentals, but I think it's worth it to at least know what's going on in the world, right? And in the US economy also, because we're trading here. So I the market was we have three consecutive red month, like August, September, and October. And that only happened like once in the entire market history to have August, September, October, and then November. So I don't think November is gonna be red. I think November we're gonna have the Sana rally. I'm bullish in November, but just because I'm bullish in November and doesn't mean that the market like it's just gonna keep going higher and higher this week. Okay, I'm gonna sell another one because SPY it's at the 436 level. Even though it's looking very strong, I'm just leaving one runner. Forex, I love Alex. I think he's very good. In fact, I learned a lot from him from swing trading. Like I'm very good swing trading, but I kinda like needed a little bit more structure swing trading. And watching his videos, he trades forex. He only swings forex, and sometimes he doesn't make a trade in a week or maybe more. Like I think past week or this week he hasn't traded anything, but I think he's very good. Let me check. I'll find his channel, and he's like 22 or something like that. I really like him. I think he's great. Alex. FX Alex. Yeah, that's him. That's him. I think he's very good trader. He trades only forex, and he's like 2022 or something like that. FX Alex. I think it's great. He's from here. He's from Miami. In fact, he lives like nearby me. He lives on my same neighborhood. Let's see if Spy is gonna break 436. It's weak in there. He's weak in there. Ooh, AMD is looking great. No, for a swing, I will have entered AMD. Um, the thing is, like, I'm not gonna swing anything. Well, maybe I'm gonna leave one, but I don't like swinging anything with Powell speaking tomorrow. I think the best entry for a swing was here, or this on 108. I like this because after okay, so I'm gonna explain this on AMD. How will I swing this? So AMD had great earnings, right? And it broke on the, this is a daily chart. On the daily broke a very important, like, strong downtrend. So after you have the strong downtrend, you have, yeah, FX Alex G. He's amazing. I think he's great. So after it breaks the downtrend, you have this big move, huge move with earnings, right? What do you think is gonna happen after you have this huge move? You have a big, massive, engulfing, bullish candle there. Pretty much the only this candle almost engulfed this entire move down. So after you had a huge move like this, you're gonna have either some a little bit consolidation, a little bit of pullback, or just continuation. So what AMD did here, just rip, consolidate for just 1 day, and then the next move, it was expected to keep going. When you have such a big move here, and I bet it had very high volume. Yeah, look the volume. You have a huge candle, high volume, you're gonna have continuation. When you have move like this on the daily, you're gonna have continuation. So the best thing you can do is wait for a pullback on the daily, or a day that you have consolidation, so the premium goes a little bit lower. You find a clear support level, and then just let it ride. Obviously, you need to take a few days out, right? So that was last week. You need to take at least 2 weeks. That's the play. That, I think that was a play. And same with Microsoft. When was this? That was on Thursday. Tuesday, right? So look, this day, Thursday, that was the consolidation day. So on that day, AMD didn't do anything, and that's perfect for you to enter for a swing trade after a massive move. Look, SPY keeps rejecting 436. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, let's see if the Q is gonna hold here, the 370 level, or what's gonna happen. So my main target on the Q is 372, but I don't know if it's gonna go there with the SPY having so much trouble around 436. But if holds here, like if the Q holds here, that's a very good break and retest. At what time are the bond sales? Because if we have bonds, both I've noticed that most like lately the market is, like gives you a pullback or like a hard sell off with bonds. Let me go. Let me check the economic calendar. Whose name? Monday. Ooh, I didn't know we had two Feds speaking today. Also, and we have Powell at 9. Well, he started speaking at what? At 9:15 tomorrow. I don't think tomorrow is worth trading. With Powell speaking at 9:15. Mm, and he's also speaking at 2, but I don't care if he speaks after lunch. But in the morning, it mess up my trading. Whose name? Oh, Alex, maybe? Alex, FX Alex. I'm getting out. I don't like how Spy. I like how the Q is holding, looking good, but Spy is having trouble here, and Apple started to look weak.